Tired of Facebook leads disappearing into the abyss? Let's supercharge your real estate game by connecting your Facebook ads directly to Kvcore. First, logged into your Kvcore account, navigate to the Marketplace tab on the left-hand side. This is where the magic begins. Find the Facebook ads tile. It might be listed under lead generation, or you can search for it. Click on the connect or install button. This initiates the integration process. You will be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you are logged in as the administrator of the Facebook page associated with your business. This is crucial for managing your ad campaigns. Next, select the correct Facebook ad account and Facebook page that you want to connect to Kvcore. Ensure you choose the account and page you actively use for real estate advertising. Click Authorize or Connect. Now, configure your lead routing settings within Kvcore. Decide how you want your Facebook leads to be distributed round robin, assigned to a specific agent, or funneled into a particular lead group. This keeps your team organized and responsive. Set up automated follow-up campaigns. Kvcore allows you to create custom email and text message sequences that are triggered when a new lead comes in from Facebook. Personalize these messages for maximum engagement. Finally, test the integration. Create a test lead through your Facebook ad. Check your Kvcore Smart CRM to ensure the lead information is flowing in correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set to capture, nurture, and convert those Facebook leads like a pro. Good luck.